G'day guys, it's Slack here, and in this video I will be going over the 5 best business credit cards you can currently get here in Australia. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, having a right business credit card can make a big difference. It can empower you to grow your business, provide you with all the financial flexibility, earn reward points which you can use to travel to your favorite destinations, fly in business or first class, stay in luxury hotels, finally use them for free gift cards. We will be looking into their unique features, the current bonus points on offer, and the eligibility criteria so that you don't get denied. Quick disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by any one of these credit card providers, so rest assured there is no vested interest. Now let's get straight into the value. At number 5, we've got NAB's Qantas Business Signature Credit Card. This is a premium credit card offering by Big Four bank NAB. This credit card is perfect for anyone who's interested in earning Qantas frequent flyer points whenever they do expenditure for their business needs. The current bonus points offering on this credit card includes 100,000 Qantas frequent flyer points when you spend more than $4,000 in the first 60 days. In terms of the bonus points on offer, this is quite a solid offering. Now looking into the benefits and features of this specific credit card, comes with features such as security and fraud protection, and comes with 2 different kinds of complimentary insurances. First one being NAB's commercial card unauthorized transaction insurance, and second one being NAB's commercial card transaction accident insurance. You also have access to Visa's 24/7 business concierge service, and finally you can earn Qantas points whenever you're making payments to ATO. Another cool feature of this credit card is that you can attach multiple credit cards to one facility, and you can go ahead and set individual credit limits for all of these credit cards. So this is a handy feature for all the businesses which require credit cards to be provided to their different employees. Now looking at the rates and fees for this credit card, you can earn up to 1 Qantas frequent flyer point for $1.5 spent, and yes, this includes payments to ATO, and on top of this you earn 1 extra Qantas point whenever you're spending money on Qantas products. The current purchase interest rate is 18.50% per annum, the cash advance rate is 21.74% per annum, and finally the annual fee for this credit card is $295 per year. You also get a minimum credit limit of $5,000, and you get up to 44 days to pay back all of your debt. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this specific business credit card, you need to have a valid ABN registered for the last 12 months. Your business needs to have an annual turnover of $75,000 and finally be registered for GST. So in my opinion, this is quite a competitive card for all the small businesses who are interested in earning Qantas frequent flyer points. Great perks include being able to earn points on all of your ATO payments. However, the complimentary insurances have limited coverage and there are no travel benefits linked to this credit card. And this credit card also does not get any lounge invitations or balance transfer option. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now looking at the next credit card on my list, at number 4 we have got Westpac Business Choice Rewards Platinum Credit Card. So this is another offering by a different Big Four bank, Westpac. And this credit card comes with quite a few perks and features. To start off with, looking at the current bonus offers, you can get up to 120,000 Qantas frequent flyer points when you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days. And secondly, you get access to Qantas's business reward program for absolutely free, as your joining fee of $89 is waived off. Now looking straight into the features and benefits of this credit card, you get access to Westpac's personal concierge service. You also get complimentary insurances, which includes things such as complimentary international travel insurance, extended warranty, purchase protection for up to 4 months, and overseas transit accident insurance. Similar to NAB's credit card, you can go ahead and set up individual credit limit for all the different credit cards. These individual credit limits start from $1,000 and it can be done for up to 99 credit cards. And finally, this credit card comes with fraud money back guarantee. Now looking at the rates and fees for this specific credit card, it comes with an annual fee of $150 per credit card. There is a foreign transaction fee of 3%. The current cash advance fee is also 3%. In terms of the current interest rate, the cash advance rate as well as the purchase rate is both 20.24%. Finally, you get up to 55 days interest free to pay back your debt. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this specific business credit card, you need to be an Australian permanent resident, need to be at least 18. So with this specific credit card offering, there is no annual business turnover requirement, and there is no requirement for the business to be at least 12 months old. So in my opinion, this is a great credit card for businesses just starting out, thanks to the super low annual fee. Now moving on to the next credit card on my list, at number 3 we've got American Express's Gold Business Credit Card. Just to be clear, this offering by American Express is a charge card, not a credit card. So for people who might not know this, a charge card requires a full payment of the balance each month and typically has no preset spending limit, whilst a credit card allows carrying a balance over time and offers a predetermined credit limit. Now looking at the bonus offerings of this card, you can get up to 75,000 bonus membership rewards when you spend $1,000 in the first 60 days. Now looking at the benefits of this specific card, it comes with no predetermined spending limit. You also get a $75 credit twice a year to spend on Dell products. And finally, you have access to complimentary travel insurances. These insurances include complimentary medical emergency express cover, business trip cancellation, and finally personal liability cover as well. Another great feature of this credit card is that you can extend your cash flow up to 51 days and can also monitor your employees' expenditure. Now moving on to the rates and fees for this credit card, it comes with an annual fee of $169 and you have to pay $119 for each employee card you want to get. And finally, there is an optional enrollment fee of $80, which is required to earn membership reward points on all of your business related spend. So what this basically means that if you don't pay this enrollment fee, you're unable to earn membership reward points on all of your expenditure. And let's just say if you decide to go ahead and pay for this enrollment fee, you can earn up to 1.5 membership reward point per $1 spent. On all of your government and ATU expenditure, the value is 1 membership reward point for $1 spent. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this specific charge card, requires your business to be registered for GST and you need to be the director or the controller of this specific business, and your business needs to have an annual revenue of $75,000. And finally, you need to be an Australian citizen or a permanent resident. So to sum up, this credit card is a no-frills business card option for all your business related expenses. Now moving on to the next card on my list, at number 2, we've got American Express's Business Explorer card. So with this specific credit card, the current bonus point offering includes a 75,000 bonus membership rewards when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. Now moving on to the key features and benefits of this specific credit card, they are quite similar to the previously discussed Gold card. However, it does have its few differences, which includes things such as complimentary lounge access. With this specific credit card, you get access to American Express's Centurion Lounge at Sydney International or at Melbourne International Airport, which is capped at 2 visits per year. You also get complimentary travel insurances, and finally you have access to all the other perks which Amex has to offer. Now looking at the rates and fees for this specific credit card, the annual fee is $149 per annum. There is no fee for additional employee cards, again capping at a maximum of 99 credit cards. And finally, you also get up to 55 days of interest-free time to pay back all of your debt. You can earn up to 2 membership reward points for every $1 spent, plus 1 point per dollar spent on all of your government expenditure. Keep in mind, this specific Explorer business credit card has a fixed credit limit. Usually earning 2 membership reward points per dollar spent equates to 1 frequent flyer point per dollar for most frequent flyer partners. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this specific credit card, business needs to have an annual revenue of $75,000. You need to be the director or the controller of this business and need to be an Australian citizen or permanent resident. So again, the eligibility criteria for this specific credit card is same as the one discussed previously for the Amex Gold. In my opinion, this is a great credit card thanks to its super low annual fee, and it has great perks such as the complimentary lounge invitations on top of the complimentary travel insurances. So if you travel a lot for your business, this card might be a great fit for you. And now moving on to the best business credit card you can currently get here in Australia. And at number 1 is American Express's Qantas Business Reward Card. So this is another American Express's charge card, suitable for people who are interested in earning Qantas frequent flyer points. And in terms of the current bonus points offering, you can earn up to 150,000 Qantas frequent flyer points when you spend $3,000 in the first 2 months. So out of all the credit cards which I've mentioned in this video, this specific credit card has the highest bonus points offering. Moving on to the key features and the benefits of this specific credit card, there is no preset spending limit as it is a charge card. You also get 2 complimentary Qantas Club launch invitations domestically, and at the same time you get complimentary Qantas Business Rewards membership. You also get complimentary travel insurances with this charge card, which includes cover for things such as medical emergency expenses, business trip completion, trip cancellation, and personal liability cover. A major benefit of this credit card includes flexible payment option. Other perks that come with this credit card includes a complimentary 12-month subscription to the Australian Premium. You also get a credit of $100 twice a year with Dell to purchase any of their products or services. Now looking at the rates and fees for this card, annual fee of this card is $450, which is also the highest amongst all the cards which I've mentioned. You can earn up to 1.25 Qantas point per $1 spent on all of your general day-to-day spending. And you can earn 2 Qantas points per $1 spent on all of Qantas's products and services. With this card, all of your points are automatically transferred to your business's rewards membership. Then you can redeem these points for flights or transfer them to individual frequent flyer accounts. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this specific charge card, they remain the same as the previously discussed American Express cards. Your business needs to have an annual revenue of $75,000. You need to be an Australian citizen or a permanent resident and need to be the director or controller of this specific business. Finally, your business needs to be registered for GST. So to sum up, this charge card is recommended to business owners who are seeking more Qantas points from their business spend. So overall, this is a great card for businesses with very high spending, thanks to no points capping. Another advantage of this card is that there is no preset spending limit and the earning rate for the points is the highest out of all the offerings available. However, the annual fee of $450 can be considered a bit high, but it is tax deductible for your business. So well, there we go. These were my recommendations on the 5 best business credit cards you can currently get here in Australia. If you guys found this video useful, make sure to check out this video over here on the 5 best personal credit cards you can currently get in Australia, or the 5 best Qantas points earning credit cards. Comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, and subscribe for more such content on personal finance, investing and entrepreneurship. Until then, take care and I'll see you in the next one.